Sharon Cuneta Pangilinan, born January 6, 1966, is a Filipino actress, singer, television personality, and businesswoman. Prolific in multiple fields of entertainment, she is known for playing dramatic and comedic leading roles in film and television. Her accolades include 3 FAMAS Awards, a Gawad Urian Award, 19 Box Office Entertainment Awards, 3 PMPC Star Awards for movies and Luna Awards. Referred to as the megastar, Cuneta began her career as a recording artist with the release of the 1978 single Tawag NG Pag-ibig under Vicor Music Corp. She rose to prominence following the success of Mr. DJ, composed by Ray Valera, with record sales exceeding 1 million in the Philippines. Cuneta is one of the best-selling Filipino musical artists of all time. Following her success in music, Cuneta also ventured into film and television acting. In 1981, she starred in her first feature film Dear Heart opposite Gabby Concepcion. It was followed by a string of acclaimed and blockbuster films. In television, Cuneta hosted musical shows such as The Sharon Cuneta Show 1986, Sharon 1998, and served as judge in numerous talent competitions such as Star Power 2010, Your Face Sounds Familiar 2015, The Voice Kids 2016, and The Voice Teens 2017. Sharon Cuneta was born on January 6, 1966, at Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in Santa Mesa, Manila. Her mother, Elaine Gamboa, who had 1/4 American blood, was the sister of actress Helen Gamboa. Her father, Pablo Cuneta, was a former mayor of Pasay. She has a brother named Cesar Chet, who ran for Pasay mayor in the 2019 elections, but lost. Cuneta grew up listening to her father's record collection. Her mother, Elaine Gamboa, was a piano major at the University of Santo Tomas Conservatory of Music in her youth. The young Cuneta would take up piano, guitar, and flute lessons to broaden her musical training and exposure at a young age. At the age of 3, Cuneta would accompany her aunt, actress Helen Gamboa, during recordings of her television shows. Another of her first proper TV appearances was on Ike Lozada's show For the Beulah Portion, where she mimicked the songs of her aunt, Helen Gamboa. Cuneta was just as young when she appeared in her first movie, the Rosanna Ortiz Georgia Stregan vehicle Lovers for Hire, where she played one of Roderick Paulett's playmates. Cuneta attended St. Paul College, Pasig, and International School Manila for her primary to secondary education. Personal life. While filming her first feature film, Dear Heart, 1981, Cuneta began dating her on-screen partner Gabby Concepcion, and the two continued co-starring in films like P.S. I Love You, 1981, and Dapat Ka Bang Mahalin, 1984. The two married on September 23, 1984, at Manila Cathedral. Then President and autocrat Ferdinand Marcos was among the sponsors. The couple had one child, actress KC Concepcion, born in April 1985. In August 1987, Cuneta and Concepcion legally separated, citing irreconcilable differences and bigamy. Concepcion was already legally married to another woman. Their marriage was annulled in 1993. Cuneta met politician Francis Pangilinan during a taping of Hoy Geisig, which Pangilinan co-hosted. The two began dating in 1994 and married on April 28, 1996. In 1997, Cuneta, her daughter KC, and Pangilinan moved to Boston, where Cuneta completed her major in business while her husband finished his postgraduate studies at Harvard University. Pangilinan has since adopted KC. Aside from KC, Cuneta and Pangilinan have two daughters, including singer-songwriter Shaky, and one adopted son. The Pangilinan family maintains residences in Makati and in Ayala West Grove Heights in Siling, Cavite. Cuneta and her daughter KC also maintain their legal residency in the United States, currently based in Los Angeles. Cuneta owns a residential project of 6 high-quality exclusive 4-story townhouses at No. 70 for Scout Rallos, Quezon City, near trendy restaurants in the area and within walking distance to and from Tomas Morato and Timig Avenues. Aside from residential real estate enterprises, Cuneta and Pangilinan own a 3-hectare farm called Sweet Spring Country Farm in the uplands of Alfonso, Cavite. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.